What's up you guys? So yan, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, pero mo ka ticket me. Andyan. So this is our event for Be My Belle, yung sponsored by Dunkin Donuts. So today is November 22, 2024. So we got the SVIP ticket. So we are located at row A, 29 and 30. So, arte. So, yun. Umalis kami ng bahay roughly around mga 3. Yeah, almost 3. And then, nakarating kami dito sa Cubao. Nakapag-park na kami. 4:46. So, hindi ko nabasa yung update ng Dunkin Donut, which is 2 p.m. Claiming of merch. Tapos yung queue for... Ang dami. Hindi ko nabasa. But, anyways... mag-open na yung gate for the sound check. So, let's go. Bibihis lang tayo kasi naka-polo shirt tayo. Yan yung in-upload natin sa ating TikTok. So, some of our and bubblies yan might look for us and hindi nila tayo makikita kung ito yung damit natin. So, this is Kai. Thanks, Mommy, for joining me once again. So, Belle, later, I'll see you. By the way, I have something to give to her. So, nandyan sa Hello Kitty na, na paper bag. So, gumawa ako ng acrylic box na may mold ng clay, air clay. So, it's like a garden na may bench and maraming Tinkerbells. So, yun. Since favorite ni Belle si Tinkerbell, so why not give something like that to her. So bago ko ligpitin, papakita ko na sa inyo. So, yan yung ginawa natin. Nilagyan ko ng ref magnet. Ito yung souvenir na pinamigay ko nung birthday niya sa Soler. So, yan. Tapos, nakalagay lang siya sa paper bag na Hello Kitty. Wala kasi akong extra. Sana makapag-video tayo later and makapag-picture na hawak to ni Belle and sana magustuhan niya. Hi guys, so yan. Ito kami sa elevator. And we're going to Frontier. Guys, si Kay na yung pinag-drive ko kasi sa New Frontier kami pumunta, Newport pala. So from Cubao to Pasay. So kala namin nahabol pa kami sa pag-open ng SVIP, pero Danes pala. So yan, later na lang sana makahabol. So yun, hi guys. This is very epic day. So ang pinin ko sa Waze is New Frontier. Sa Newport pala yung Be My Belle. So mga naghahanap sa akin dyan, on the way na kami. Naghanap pa kami parking, naglakad pa kami, tapos mali pala yung direction namin. Traffic pa sa EDSA.
Sabi pa ng guard, wala pong event ngayon, ha?
Yeah.
Hindi ba ako naniwala sa kanya?
Sa akin,
ticket shoot.
honestly, kanina sabi ko, okay lang kahit walang merch, kahit na kung ano pa mang pakulo, okay lang. Pero yung sound check, sana maabutan namin. Pero sa sitwasyon namin ngayon, since it's already 5:15, hints na namin maabutan yun. So, we'll just be there before the concert. 8 p.m. Sure naman yun, makakaabot kami na 8 p.m. For the regular, Doon pa rin naman kami sa harapan kasi may designated seat naman pero not really for us na So yan, see you there. Nakasave yung ref magnet, so I'll give it to you. Check ko yung mga nag-message sa akin. But one thing's for sure, si Dexter. Alright, bye guys. See ya. Yan, so guys, nandito na tayo sa Skyway. So kaya na yung pinag-drive natin kasi
Make a U-turn at Secure Storage Services.
may malaking epic fail tayo kanina. Yung pinag-drive ko dahil stress na ako. Parang nawala na ako ng pag-asa. Well, things like that happens for a reason. So, I believe na may purpose ang lahat ng bagay. So maybe ang kaming guardian angel ay dinadaan kami sa mas safe na path or road. So, yun na lang iniisip natin. So, yun. Update ko kayo later. And hopefully makaabot kami dun sa mismo kahit concert man lang. Ayan. So, bye-bye. Okay, so guys, finally nandito na kami sa Newport parking area. So, sobrang stress na namin. Grabe. It's 7:30 already. And the concert will start at 8. So, hindi namin nagamit yung VIP sound check namin. SVIP namin. So, we paid like 4,000 something pesos. Pero that's okay. Alright. So, hindi naman, okay lang yan. Hey guys. So, sobrang stress. So, 3 p.m. pa lang naihina ako and it's 7:33. So, thank you, love, for driving. Dito na kami sa Newport World Resorts. Hindi pa ito yun. Maglalakad pa siguro kami. Pero at least nakapark na. Bahala na. So, yan. Habol tayo. Laters. Bye, guys. Okay, so finally, we're here at Newport. Let's go. Shopping area here. Got a tote bag. Finally, guys, we're here. We missed the sound check. Ay, Diyos ko. Alam nyo, gabi na, mag-8 na, pero feeling ko may araw kami. Alright, so, mag-take over na si guys sa video.
Pwede dito. Oh, diba? As for me, I'm so excited kasi alam ko pwede ko dito. Your barkadas! Ito naman ang best part dito sa K-Bus. You can now enjoy your favorite Dunkin' treats. Ako ang favorite ko, of course. Choco Butternut and my iced coffee. Enjoy po! Thank you! Kaya tayo tayo.
Come on, yung first row. Agent ko.
Tap!
Ito na lang, my favorite feature dito sa K-Bus. Karaoke system! I'm so happy guys kasi going off talaga naging bonding namin sa family ko. Pwede na naging bonding din ako.
Love!
And supporters na nag-iisa, Bel Mariano. Ayan, of course, check mo natin nasa yung mga fandoms natin. Put your signs up. Mag-roll po tayo dito. Shout out, of course. Sino po mga nandyan? Ayan. Uy, yan. Dito na supporters, of course, ni Bel from Don Bell. Night. Guys, excited na ba lahat? Mag-meet ang nag-iisang Bel Mariano! Alright, of course, excited na rin tayo dyan. And I'd like to welcome the story lang at Dunkin' Colors. Hello, hello! Ayun, sa pinakaharap pa over there. Alright, how about you? I'm Flavor number 10. Are you ready? Yeah! That's what we want. And of course, kung ready na tayo, let's get the party started! Here's a fast-rising P-pop girl group that has been making waves in the music scene. Let's welcome our new Gen concert princess, Bel Mariano.
Abot ka, no?
Yes!
Apat ka, gano'n! Grabe. You got... Don't worry po. Actually, ako hindi ko masyadong memorize kaya gagawin natin ito lahat. Kayo po. I'll be needing...
Bell! Bell! Bell!
Sabi mo kanina, sasama ka. Sige, let's make it 6 na. 6. Para dito. Let's make 2. Sige po, you can come up on stage po. Ayan. Okay na po.
That's more than 6.
Go tayo. So, ganito siya ha. Stop right now. Wait lang, but before anything else, before we start, we need your help too. We need to cheer them, okay? Kaya niyo ba yan?
Yes!
Stop right now. Dalawang kamay, actually, sorry. Stop right now. I need somebody with a human touch.
Always on the run, slow it down, baby.
Wait lang, isipin ko, tama ba yung steps ko?
Tama yan!
Pero parang ako yung mali.
Bala ka, Bell!
Stop right now. Ito pala, I need somebody with a human touch. Kasi hey, always on the run. Then gotta slow it down, baby. Gotta have some fun. Kuha ba yun? Kuha ba yun? Sige, isa pa. Okay, stop right now.
Thank you.
Ready? Game?
Game.
Let's do this!
Yes!
Dito sa first part, kahit ano lang. Stop right now. Thank you very much. Somebody with a human touch. Kailangan sumaya. These past few weeks now, we've been doing lock-ins and I've been posting, on my social media too, how much we're very excited for this. And sobrang ganda ng story, pero hindi na ako magsasalita kasi baka mamaya ma-spoil ko pa. So,
Oo nga eh. Pero grabe yung mga thrillers kasi parang lahat tayo gusto mag-vitamin C.
parang dito ata matututunan natin kung ano bang mga red flags, ano bang mga green flags, mga beige.
Ako po, parating alam na natin mga kailangan bang iwasan.
Tingnan natin, let's watch.
Okay. Pero of course, lumalamig na ang panahon, pa-Christmas na din.
I know!
So, may plano ka ba this Christmas break?
Yes, this Christmas, I really want to spend time with with my family. Yeah, kasi nga we've been doing lock-ins and I'm so happy that I got to spend it with them. Excited na ako kasi we always have this tradition that every time Christmas, every time nagto-12 midnight, sabay-sabay kami ng mga kapatid ko magbukas ng gifts. Actually, nandiyan yung mga kapatid ko.
Nasaan sila?
They're there. Hi!
ano pa sila?
They're there. So I'm so happy I got to spend it with them. And kain lang. Of course, with Dunkin.
Ayan, part na nga yun. Of course, meron tayong Noche Buena. Ang sarap na may Dunkin na kasama yan as well. Ikaw, meron ka ba mga madalas niluluto kapag Noche Buena? Or parang hinihiling palagi na dapat nasa table?
Ako, nagluluto?
Lechon daw.
Try ko po magluto.
Meron tayong backstage.
Okay.
Ayan, so, ayan na sila.
Sila!
There you go.
Hello!
Hello.
Hello! Hello!
Pasok po mga Suki. You know, alright. So mukhang naka-ready na rin ang two teams natin over here. So, well, help me out. Alamin natin yung mga names nila. And of course,
Ikunin po namin isa-isa yung name nyo. State me your name, age, height, and where do you live? Joke!
Alright, Belle! Asan si Belle? Ay, parang kulang pa. Isa pa yata. Okay.
Till I run away, then and bury. Till I run the past, get it together.
Welcome sa aking muntik tahanan.
Oh, thank you for the warm welcome.
Ayan. Narinig mo ba yung mga sigawan nila?
Yes!
Grabe naman para sa Dunkin fan cam lahat sila Gina G din talagang mag-pose on camera. So ngayon, since mataas ang energy nila, ikaw mataas di ba ang energy mong sumagot ng questions?
Hala!
Ay.
Game, nalalaban tayo. Game ako dyan.
Lalaban. Pero ito hindi manggagaling sa akin ng questions. Manggagaling sa kanila. Ito yung matagal nyo lang gustong malaman. Mga questions na finally, baka masagot tonight. Okay, so we will call this Q&A segment, Believe It or Not. So, siyempre yung mechanics natin. No, diba? Ang galing, no? Okay, una sa lahat, yung mga questions na meron tayo ngayon sa ating fishbowl over here are all questions na nanggaling sa inyong lahat. So, mangyayari dito, ako muna yung magbabasa, and then, papakita ko sa'yo, and you get to know, or you get to choose kung sasagutin mo siya. So, pag sinagot mo siya, you will show the oo sign of this one. Ayan, ayan. There you have it.
So our question is, what's the best advice you've ever received and how did it change you?
Ganda.
Wow! Grabe naman to, Chloe!
Thank you for that wonderful question. Best advice, actually, I've received a lot of good advices in my life. I'm so grateful that I'm surrounded with people that could guide me and support me. My mom, my family, my mentors, people I look up to. But then, the best advice I would say is, that I've ever received was when I found my faith in God. Yeah, it actually, it made me power through more, and it made me believe in myself more. And I think that's the best advice I could give to you, is once you believe in Him, you'll believe in yourself too. So, yeah, that's it.
Sigurado ko rin, mag-empower din sa akin to face all the challenges.
Thank you for that question.
Diba? Miss Universe, ang mga katanungan niya. Okay, may mga exchange of drinks po tayo.
Hello?
Mga iced coffee tayo bigla dito. Okay.
Wait, no.
Uy, nag-iisip na sila. Ano kaya yan?
Okay. No, actually, I'll say oo to this. Kaya ko naman sagutin to. How do you balance? Actually, hindi ko alam paano sagutin. Joke lang. How do you balance your personal life with career, especially with all the attention you get as an actress? How do I balance? I think just, hi! I think just know what to prioritize first the most. Diba? Of course, health comes first, spending time with your loved ones, career, and so on and so forth. It's important that you allot time for yourself. So, kasi if you have that time for yourself, you'll also have time to think of the other things that you need to put focus on. So, I think that's the best thing that you could do to be able to find that balance.
Yeah.
Right?
Of course, ang dami natin kailangan yung
Actually, kasi
manage.
it's something I'm really still learning now, balancing everything. Pero, slowly naman, it's something na matututunan din natin along the way.
And speaking of learning it along the way, ano yung may mga challenges ka bang na-face during those moments na parang hindi mo na talaga alam, gusto mo na hati-hatiin yung katawan mo dahil sa dami na kailangan gawin?
Sabi, kamusta kayo ni Donnie? Okay naman kami. We're really excited for how to spot the red flag. Ayan. Panoorin nyo.
Ay, bawal kasi mag-extra question.
Ayun na yun!
Okay. So excited na rin ba kayo guys mapanood? Ayan. I-share nyo Okay, next time. This one is from Hannah Joyce Henido. And, okay. Ba't kinakabahan niya? Every time
Hindi kasi yung ang laki ng reaction niya pag nababasa niya. Okay. Okay. Hi! Yes, Hannah!
Hannah?
Yes, she asked if we could take a photo.
So siya, Hannah, anong row? Meron ba?
N11, N11.
N11, Hannah. Ayan, nag-oo si Belle sa'yo. For quick photo.
Yes! What's your dream role? Excuse me po. For a future project? Ang dami ko pong gustong gawin na project. Actually, ang dami ko pong gustong itry. Gusto ko naman siguro mas stronger na personality ng character or something.
Thank you. Congrats, Belle.
Thank you po.
Okay, so that's 6. 4 more to go. Gusto mo this time ikaw pumili, tapos bigyan mo muna sa
Uy,
amin.
baka mamaya kasi yung mabunot ko. Nakabahan ako.
May kape ka dyan.
Lang, wala naman. Hindi, mas maganda ka. Grabe naman yun.
So, tinanong kasi ni Chloe, bakit ang ganda-ganda daw ni Belle? O, diba? Ayan, so of course, diba? When it comes to...
I'm glad na na-enjoy ko yung younger years ko. So, to my younger self, anong pwede kong sabihin? Thank you for always trying and believing, and thank you for being that kid who dreamed big. Actually, I just really want to thank my younger self, and my younger years were the years that molded me to become who I am today. So I just want to thank my younger self for dreaming, for trying, and yeah, dapat natulog ka na. Natulog ka! Pag sinasabi ng mama mo sa'yo, matulog ka. Matulog ka.
Yung pwede pa.
Yung pwede pa. Kasi pag tumanda ka, wala ka tulog, pagsisisihan mo. So, dapat nakinig ka sa mama mo.
Love that. Pero...
Love you, ma. Sorry na.
Ano yan? Bakit wala akong kape? Okay. Ay, nagsip pa siya ulit! Diyos mio. Okay.
Teka na, hindi, bunot na lang tayo na isa.
Okay, one more.
Okay. One more.
Hindi naman. This one is from Arabelle.
Arabelle. CKS Diamond. Happy birthday! Birthday niya?
Ay, asan siya?
Sabi niya, can you greet me a happy birthday?
Arabelle of which seat?
Diamond.
Diamond, nandito ba siya?
Shine bright like a diamond.
Nagtuturo sila doon. Arabelle, are you
Sorry
here?
po. Wala po. Kamusta po kayo, Toton?
Kinabahan ka ngayon,
Ba't ka
Bambang.
shy? Ayan. This question is, what is your favorite hobby? Ako? Thank you for that question, Toton. Ako, pag ginagawa ko lately,
Si Tonton, yung totoo ko. Nasaya na siya.
lately ako, hobbies. Well, I've been doing aerial, actually, pero it's been a while since I last did it. Siguro last month ko yung last ko ginawa.
Parang area.
Yung ginawa ko ng concert.
Ah!
Yeah, tinuloy-tuloy ko po siya.
Enjoy mo siya.
Yes. So that, and is working out a hobby.
Oo naman,
Yeah.
part pa rin siya.
I run almost every day. So yun po yung ginagawa ko.
Running era ka na ngayon.
Yeah.
Diba? Baka makita natin si Bas mga fun runs. So, kaya,
Ayan.
marathon na ba agad?
Maraming pangyayari di mo inaasahan. Kahit na sa tingin mo'y ito'y iyong pinagplanuhan. My Friday. So maraming salamat po. Thank you for making Be My Bell possible. Wait, but before anything else, can we have a photo muna? Is that okay? Okay.
Once again, for all the winners of our Believe It or Not segment, proceed to the left side of the stage. If you're facing the stage, that's on your right. Thank you. Please approach the Dunkin' representative. So, mga session, may we request everyone to please leave the venue. Thank you. Caller VIP and SVIP, caller SVIP and VIP ticket holders, please stand by as we will begin our photo op and high and buy session with Delia Mariano in just a bit.
Oh, nakita na naman namin itong friend namin na to. Hi!
Say hi and bye. Ganyan lang po tayo. Dire-diretso. Say hi and bye.
Guys.
Okay, right? Say hi and bye to Ben.
Ben!
Say hi and bye. Ganyan lang po tayo. Dire-diretso.
Ayun na yung high-end ba?
Thank you.
Lalapit talaga ako.
Ganyan po sa buhay. You say hi and you say goodbye. You say hi and bye to Ben.
Yun lang yun, Dad! Daddy!
Thank you. Ganyan po sa buhay. Dire-diretso lang po tayo.
Bye,
Thank you
Kuya!
po.
Bye, ate! Napakabilis. Kailan ka susunod na absent? Charot!
Friday.
Ay.
Media ko daw.
Ay, hello po!
Alam mo, nasa Australia ako. Napanood kong buong yun. Tapos kinabukasan, bakit nawala?
Oo, nireport ko yung
Nakakainis.
Hi po, sana!
Hi, vlog! Bye-bye! Papakita mo sa TV yan? Sa YouTube.
Ingat po!
See you
Ingat po!
tomorrow.
Ingat po! Gagawin po ako.
Sa hapon pa yun.
Ay, ang great naman.
Ah,
Oo, kanina. Okay na. Ayun na.